Welcome back to the video, guys. And this is actually a remake of what I already made, which is wayang bima. And we're going to go straight and start drawing. Here I am trying to draw the figure bima. Going to put on some batik on the lower parts, and as usual I don't draw the lower parts of the character. And here, as you can see, I separate the hands for the arms that's going to have a movement. As usual, I don't prepare my sticks, so I'm just going to make it and show you how to make your own stick if you don't have any wooden stick. I'm using a paper, A4 paper, and then I divide them into two, and then half of it I divide it again into another half, which I'm going to use for the hands. And here I'm rolling the paper to make the stick for the hands and also for the body. There's one, and then there's another one. You can basically glue them together, or like I am here, just using some sticky tape. As you can see, I stick the longest stick on the body, and then I've just pierce some holes for the hands, and I also prepare a string to combine the hands, the shoulder, and so on. Now, as you can see, I made the hole a little bit small, but hopefully you make it not as small as I did. And I just stick the string at the back of the body and continue on putting the string onto the shoulder and cutting the excess string, sticking it up with the sticky tape, and so on. As you can see, guys, I am using a used paper for this, and I actually use quite thick, maybe around 300 milligrams in weight. The reason I use the used paper is basically for our sustainable earth. So basically we can reuse what we already have, and it doesn't always have to be a new paper. So I continue on putting some strings into the hands and also the elbows, and also putting another string on the sticks, so I can put the stick, combining them with the hands using the string. Now we all done, and we can play with it like this. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope this is much better than my previous video, so you guys basically can follow the instruction well. I'll see you again in our next video. Bye!